right, guys, it's delivery day of the C8 Corvette ZR1s at Carlisle, Pennsylvania. And I gotta tell you, I am super excited to see these cars. Freaking amazing. They're right in there, guys, right in there. Love it. Cutting that close. All right, guys, I opened her up. Black with the blue wheels. Oh. Yellow. And a purple E-Ray. But check it out. This is the ZTK, I believe.
Oh, there's that new purple.
Yes, ZTK. And it's the cutaway car, too. There's Jeremy Wellborn. Jeremy Wellborn. Check it out. I love those blue wheels. So exciting. Can't wait to see these things come off the truck. So check out the beautiful new carbon fiber wheels. Check those out. What do you think, Robert?
It's awesome.
Pretty sweet, huh? Big old carbon ceramic brakes. Love it. What do you think?
I think it's pretty incredible, man.
Clarence is a clown.
That's what the mic is, though, right?
I know, it is, but now it's next to you.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
That's too much. That's too much. Too much bro time.
Oh my gosh. So this is the cutout car. Sorry. And this is the other side with different wheels.
Okay, straighten those out. There you go.
Look at that.
Going forward. Okay.
So crazy how they have to get this cutout car off. It is not easy.
We got about 2 feet we need to go.
Nothing else on the lower level there.
You guys need some additional manpower? Help us help you guys out?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Look at
I
Robert
got you.
offering a hand.
I'm
That
a Chevy,
boy,
I'm a
Robert.
Chevy employee.
I'll
I'll
be
help.
the first civilian to actually steer a ZR1. Ready?
Gotcha.
Here you go. Ready? Yeah, man, they're college.
The LT7.
I got you. I just want to let you know if you need help, we can help you.
Go ahead. Maybe on the ground. That's a different, that's a different.
Roger. There's still.
Always lending a hand. Attaboy.
You just, I can't stand like not helping.
I understand.
That's my thing.
I understand. Lightest C8 ZR1 ever right here.
Now you want us?
That took a lot of effort getting that thing off. By the way, that wing is massive. What? Hey! Come on, come on. Look at Jeremy Wellborn. We got CarboTech 252. We got Mike Furman and John Price. Look at this. We got them all. Now, I'm coming over here for a big reason. Because check this out. Robert.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that.
I know.
And then
Watch
come
your
this way.
It's like double the height.
It's unbelievable.
Like it's like double the height.
Unbelievable.
Awesome.
Look at the massive carbon fiber piece there. I mean, it is enormous compared to. You see that, Robert?
Yeah.
The difference in height of this compared to the Z06.
Yeah, you figure. Use my
Tiny,
hand,
tiny,
Use my hand
tiny.
as scale. I can't even get my 4 fingers in that.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's huge. Wow.
Truly
Well,
amazing.
Needless to say, no frunk.
Yeah, no front.
Frunk. Shah!
Exactly.
Radiator.
Now I know why they didn't drive it on.
All right.
All right.
Hysteria.
This is the Hysteria E-Ray coming off now. That's cool. They brought it in an E-Ray.
Yeah.
I love it. So all the haters have double the hate now. They have the E-Ray and the new purple, or blurple as they would call it.
Well, we'll see if the sun cooperates, if we get some sun on it. That's why I want to see it bright and see if it pops.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, me too.
First I've seen it on a car. It's bowling green. I saw it on one of those models that they rolled out.
Yeah, me too. It was nice.
Yeah, the little things. Yeah, I remember that.
So from here, I mean, it looks purple. It looks a lot of purple from here.
Yeah, it looks dark, like a dark purple.
Yeah.
LT with sky.
And so when the sunlight hits it, of course,
That's cool.
then you have your, when the sunlight hits it, you have the blue metallic flake, and that brings out the blue.
That would not
And
be a
that's
way to
where
intro it.
changes when you get that sunlight on it.
Still looks
And I don't
but
mind that, but I'd rather it just be all purple.
Purple, yeah,
Yeah.
without metallic.
I'm just a
the
purple guy.
metallic is, there's not a lot of metallic in it. You'll
Sure.
see that compared to others that
Sure.
have metallic, but that's what does give you the blue.
All right, let's get up close. Yeah, you can see the blue in my reflection there. Of course, that's partial from the sky, but this has my favorite E-Ray wheels on it right now too. They're polished, and then the barrel is brushed. It's a good looking car. I like it with the black nacelles and the black top. And then it needs a black tip exhaust, but it's got body color accents. Man, that's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
There's that sun popping out.
Yep. There we go. Now we get
What do you
some
guys
light on
think? And he did Sky Cool Gray.
Rolling. Slow. You're coming down.
Not two-tone though, just Sky Cool Gray.
It's all yours.
Wow, beautiful car.
it. It's purple.
It's purple, yeah.
It is purple.
Yep.
No question. It is definitely purple.
I like it. Like it a lot.
Fired up.
My Z06 sounds way better.
Oh
than
my
this.
God.
That's Larry. My Z06 sounds way better.
That sounds amazing. Sounds amazing.
I love
Mike's overhyped it.
it. Such a negative Nellian.
Mike,
You're the best Mike in this conversation.
Mike Furman. This is his voice. See, it's Mike Furman. Now, what did you?
those blue wheels a lot.
Yeah, I do too.
Nothing wrong with that.
I like this whole spec a lot.
I love the blue stripes.
Me
the
too.
Blue seat belts with the blue stitching.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
it's different seat belts color than the rapid blue.
Oh,
seat
okay. It matches.
belt. It matches the blue stitching.
The only thing they should have done is the blue calipers, though. It's got great
Coming to a
calipers.
theater near you.
There you go.
They're coming.
I thought all ZR1s were supposed to have blue calipers. I guess. Look at those stripes. Look at that split window.
It's got
Look
blue
at the-
stitching.
The blue
Guys,
stitching.
please, until I get it off the gate, stand back.
You got it.
Go ahead and go on.
Sorry.
Back. With it being a
We're a little
prototype, I don't
anxious.
need anything happening.
Right.
Straighten them out.
Roger that.
That blue stripe is amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Whew.
See, I love that spec.
Yeah, I do
love
too.
it. It's
Cut them to your left at the hair. Going back.
It's beautiful.
Straighten them out. You're going to be coming down.
He's got the lift on.
Electric or manual?
Yeah.
It's all yours, brother.
It's got the carbon fiber on the
Good job,
front.
sir. You're welcome.
Carbon fiber on the
Put it in
sides.
track mode.
Let's roll with it. Carbon fiber on the rear window. Wow, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, right now, it looks like a 4x4 because that front lift is up. This is a spec that is absolutely perfect.
Yeah, I do like this spec a lot,
It's
man.
amazing, man.
Black is hard to keep clean, but
It is, but look at the
Who cares?
blue wheels.
That's what Travis Ceramic Coating's for.
yeah, still try to keep it clean.
The blue seat belt,
I love the front,
the blue stitching.
the front trunk. So I can't put my groceries in anymore?
Negative.
Darn it.
No more groceries.
No more groceries.
Look at that stripe.
Those stripes are amazing.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
Reminds me of the Pista.
Oh, yeah, good point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Carbon fiber in the front. It kind of looks like a Z06 in the front.
This guy. This guy.
What, man? It does look like a Z06 in the front.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my gosh. Look at this. So again, the only thing I think they should have done is the
Z06 has
blue
this.
calipers.
ZR1, I'm sorry, now you see the scoop.
But
Yes, yes.
massive.
How about double the horsepower?
Look at that. That is so awesome. And then
Huh?
up top.
Yeah,
These are bigger than I
I
thought they were
wish.
gonna be. This
Oh
is
my
way
God.
bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Probably 3 years before I see one of these at this rate, but yeah.
And that is pretty neat.
So far we haven't had.
So one thing I wanted to point out real quick is this is not a ZTK package, so this is all smooth right here. But if you go over here to the ZTK, you'll very quickly see that it's not smooth at all. That is a giant baffle that creates way more downforce in the front as opposed to that one over there that's super smooth and doesn't create any extra downforce as far as that goes. Now the scoop does, but not the top of the scoop. And then these wheels, these new carbon fiber wheels are something. I really, really like the new design. And the wheels on the other side are the same design as these blue ones, but I really like the blue ones better. They're like a satin blue. What a fantastic spec that is. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Freaking amazing.
I love it. I love all of them, actually. I'm here for the hysteria, I gotta tell you.
Oh, okay.
I'm here for the hysteria.
Is that what you're getting?
That's what I'm getting, yeah.
Okay.
And I just need my dealer to get the allocation, which I know is coming soon. But yeah, I'm glad they really brought out that black one, though, because it shows off so much new content. Obviously, you've got the blue wheels, you've got inside, you've got the jet black interior, you've got those are blue seat belts.
Yep.
So yeah, the blue stitching is what I was talking about. But the blue seat belts, these are unique. These aren't the other ones that we've seen, so they're a little bit different. But yeah, this is all a great spec, and of course the competition yellow Z06, Hysteria, purple E-Ray. The only thing we don't have is the Sebring orange. So
True.
Hopefully
But we've seen Sebring orange.
But we've seen Sebring orange. In fact, the funny thing is, they're taking off the Stingray right now off the truck. No one's over there. No one's over there. They're all over here around the ZR1.
Does that surprise you guys? I mean, we're not going to be over there for that. We're over here for the ZR1.
But it's got a new wing on the back, the new Z51 wing.
Yeah, but that's already right there on the red one.
Yes, it is.
So yeah, we've all seen that, but we haven't seen these.
Right. And, the other amazing thing is how different each of these cars is. It's not like, we saw C7, we had, the LT4 and then the LT5, very similar cars. These are totally different purposes even, not just equipment, but different purposes.
I agree 100%. It's so cool how they did that with the C8.
And to be able to plan that out from the very beginning just shows you how much thought went into this and how long they worked on it. So
yes,
amazing.
It is absolutely amazing that we've had, first of all, the very first mid-engine Corvette.
Right.
Then it went to the very first Corvette with a high-revving engine.
Yeah.
Then the very first Corvette that's all-wheel drive and hybrid.
Electrified, yeah.
And now the very first Corvette with twin turbos.
And again, all different. They're all different cars, and So I could see people that would be like, if I had a Z06, I could say, wow, I'd like to have a ZR1, but also keep my Z06, you know, not trade up for the next car.
Absolutely.
For me, my first C8 will be the E-Ray, and I think just as a perfect all-around car, I'm not going to track it, you know, I'm going to drive it all the time. So the all-wheel tire, the all-wheel radials are very appealing to me. And again, the reliability of the Stingray. So you just can't, any of these cars you can't beat. It's mind-boggling.
And the E-Ray really truly is the best of both worlds. It really is. It's the best of both worlds.
And we are going to evangelize that car until the rest of you all know it too.
You are correct, man. I mean, I'm going to be doing lots and lots of videos, and people are going to understand eventually that the car is absolutely fantastic.
Need a few more track videos out there, a couple more spankings, I think, will be due, and then people will be like, you know what? And then again, you know, people are doing all this power adding to the Stingray now. They've all figured out the packages and all that, and it's ready made for the E-Ray. So,
I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Why is it that all the rest of the manufacturers can build supercars with hybrids, and no one talks trash about them? But when Chevrolet does it, the E-Ray's a piece of garbage.
Well, because A, it's a Chevy, and you know we're all in that mindset. We know. I have a theory about Corvette owners that we would secretly all be Ferrari owners if we could afford them.
Well,
but we can't afford them. But we love these cars instead, and so I mean, obviously, there's two kinds of owners there, but we're all really the same when it comes to those kinds
that's
of people.
correct.
But you know, when you're spending $500,000, $600,000 on a hybrid Porsche or something else, no one's going to talk trash to you because you just spent $500,000 on a car, right? So,
but it's crazy how all the new supercars are going to hybrid, and everybody's just like, oh, they're so amazing. But then the E-Ray comes out, it's hybrid.
And I think what Chevy did a little wrong with the E-Ray is it's just too expensive. It probably needs to be about $10,000 less than that. If they could have gotten that price point under $99,
but it's worth it.
It is worth it. Well, I'll find out. I don't know.
It's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it.
But I think that's the only drawback is just the price right now. But maybe you know they start building some more and they figure out the economies of scale on them, and then maybe whatever comes next might be something even better. So.
There you go. You heard it right there from Corvette Blogger. Thanks, Keith.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Uh-huh.
All right, guys. So there you have it. Those are the new ZR1s. There's going to be more here starting, I think, tonight or tomorrow. But I got you what I could. The delivery day at Corvettes of Carlisle for the brand new ZR1. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what your favorite parts of each of the cars are that I showed you. You guys have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I'll see you on the next video.